Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
We are fine. Thank you, Allah.
Are you excited for today?
Yes.
Okay. What is the name of our today's activity?
What
Are you ready?
Yes.
Can we start?
Yes.
Okay.
Come, come, come. Go, go, go. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. Long, long, long. Short, short, short. Stand, stand, stand. Sit, sit, sit. Stand, stand, stand. Near, near, near. Far, far, far. Near, near, near. Far, far. Left, left, left. Right, right, right. Slow, slow, slow. Fast, fast, fast. Slow, slow, slow. Fast, fast, fast. Happy, happy, happy. Sir, sir, sir. Happy, happy, happy. Sir, sir, sir.